everyone, welcome to Nancy's Mediterranean Kitchen. Easter is around the corner. Today I will show you an Egyptian butter cookie called Ghorayebah. We make it for Easter, Christmas, and also the Muslims make it for Eid. Let's start. My ingredients are 4 cups of all-purpose flour, sifted, 2 cups of clarified butter, and this one I had to add in the refrigerator for 10 minutes because my kitchen is hot. It needs to be this texture. When you press on it, it's hard like this, but not cold. And here is 1 cup of powdered sugar sifted. I have some nuts to decorate the cookies before we put it in the oven. It's a mix of hazelnut, almonds, and pistachio. I will start by adding the clarified butter, then the whisk attachment, and I will mix it until it's light white. I mix them together until they are very light, as you see, and soft and creamy. That's the texture we need. And now I'm going to switch to the flat beater attachment, and then I will add the flour. Now I'm going to add the flour. Add 1 batch first, mix on low, then add the second batch. That's it. You are not supposed to mix it too much. I just wanted the flour to be absorbed by the clarified butter, and now I will use my hands. Now this step is very important. I am going to gather the dough together so that I make sure that everything is absorbed. The clarified butter absorbed all the flour. It will take just no more than 1 minute. We're not supposed to mix it. So I will use my hand. Just fold like this. The next step is also very important. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. It has a lot of butter, so that's why we need to make sure that it won't melt when we make it into shapes. And so we need to put it 10 minutes before we make it into shapes, and then after we make it into shapes, we'll put it for another 10 minutes. I just took it out of the fridge. I left it for 10 minutes. Now I will make balls and weigh it. It should be 20 grams or 7 ounces. So here's the first one. Seven ounces. I'll put it in the tray. The dough made 40 cookies. As you see, they are all the same size, 7 ounces. I'm going to add 1 tray nuts, and the next tray will leave it plain. So I'll put it in the middle and push. And the nuts has to be raw because it will roast in the oven. These are half almonds that I cut. I'll also add some pistachios and some hazelnut. Now I'm going to put them in the fridge for another 10 minutes, and then I will put it in the oven. The oven should be preheated on 325 Fahrenheit, and I will use a convection oven. If you don't have a convection oven, no problem. It will bake for 12 to 15 minutes, and I will show you the best color that we are looking for. Here is the Ghorayeba. This is how it looks like. And I'm going to show you the bottom. It took actually 20 minutes in the oven, and I waited until it had this beige color at the bottom. This is when you know that it's cooked, and I will show you how soft it is. It's very, very soft. It can melt in your hands. See how soft it is from the inside? And you even will have some traces in your fingers from the Ghorayeba. This is when you know it's very soft and nice. I hope you liked my episode today. I hope you can give it a try. This easy recipe is the go for when you have guests. Let me know in the comments below how it goes, and see you next time.